morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Sorry that my kitchen is like such a mess right now. I just woke up and made breakfast and got ready, and now I have to leave because I'm going to Tucson to do a workout with my friend Gwen. One of my goals this year is to become a lot stronger in my body. I don't want to focus on weight loss anymore. I do not want to lose any more weight. Like, if I never weigh myself ever again, I'll be the happiest person alive. I just want to focus on making my body stronger and more flexible and be as healthy and strong as fit as I possibly can. And I kind of want to document my fitness transformation on my YouTube channel because I'm really coming from a place of a true beginner. I mean, I did start weightlifting about 6 months ago and I've been pretty consistent about it and seen some great changes in my body. But I want to document this more for not just my physical transformation, but more my mental transformation. Like I said, I do not want to ever weigh myself again. Like, I'm so over it. And I really just want to focus on being strong and healthy in both my body and my mind. And for some reason, like, going to the gym and lifting weights makes me feel so empowered and so strong, and it just gives me the best feeling ever. So I'm going to be sharing a lot of that on my channel. You kind of saw what I made for breakfast. So I made tofu scramble and I put it into this jar. I also air fried 2 medium pre-steamed russet potatoes. And then these little sausage patties are just the Soul Cuisine sausage patties. Super good. This breakfast is really delicious though. I'll probably eat some of this before my workout and then the rest after. But I will put the recipe to how I made this in the description box. I got both.
Eight, that's fine. You can get out 2 more. Do 2 more. Do 2 more. One more. Perfect.
Okay guys, just ignore my appearance at this point. I look like a hot mess. Okay, before I left, I put on some black beans that I had soaked, and it kind of turned into black bean soup. I'll show you what it looks like. I wanted to make a burrito bowl with like pico and all this stuff, but since this is so soupy, I think I'm just gonna have a bowl of this, and then I'm gonna make a sushi roll because I made rice as well, and I don't know why, I just don't want to like mix the soupy black bean soup with rice. I just feel like it's not going to be very good. Here's my bowl of soup. So like I said in my last what I eat in a day video, the reason that I had gained 20 pounds previously when I had lost 70 pounds was because I had never been in a place in my life where I needed to maintain my weight. And now I'm back in that spot where I need to shift from weight loss mode to maintenance mode. So this time my diet isn't going to change at all. I'm going to be eating the same composition of foods, just a whole foods, plant-based diet. I know from countless hours of research and having a friend who's a personal trainer that I will never actually get stronger in the gym or build any muscle unless I eat more food. The way that I'm going to be getting more calories is I'm basically just going to be stopping intermittent fasting, and I'm going to be eating before my workouts early in the morning instead of waiting until after my workouts to eat. So when I was losing weight, like, it's kind of natural for me. I got into this rhythm of eating at noon every day. And I realized, like, with weight training and going to the gym for an hour or 2 hours, I really need to actually eat a proper meal before that. So that's basically the only thing that's going to change. I'm not going to be like tracking my calories or my protein or anything like that, which I did do just to see where I was at for like a few days. And I just don't Like, I really just want to completely get out of any dieting mentality in my entire life so that I can move forward, be strong, be happy in my body, and just be eating a healthy diet and not have to ever really care about it. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys, because sometimes people are like, oh my god, you're in this like cycle of like always wanting to change your body, and I'm not. Like, I'm really not. Like, I really just love going to the gym. I want to be stronger, be more flexible, be very comfortable in my body. I've never actually in my entire life been into fitness. Even when I was losing weight, I was just walking around. So for me to actually build muscle and see some like shape in my body and feel strong in my body is so good for me mentally, especially with, you know, wanting to get pregnant and start a family and all those kinds of things. I just do not want to ever have to think about my weight ever again. Like I said a few videos ago, I just don't want to be sharing like weight loss meal plans and weight loss this and weight loss that, because I don't want to be focusing on that. I think we all should be focusing on eating the healthiest diet that we can, having a healthy relationship with food, getting in exercise that we enjoy doing, and setting goals for ourselves that aren't about the way that we look or a weight on a scale, basically. Anyways, I'm gonna finish my soup and then I'm gonna make sushi because I'm still really, really hungry. This is what happens when you try to make a sushi roll with long grain brown rice. It just does not work. See? I'm just gonna cut this in half and eat it like that. This is what it looks like. Here's my sushi fail. This is why I always use short grain white rice, but I have used just short grain brown rice and it's worked totally fine. It's just, I did a mix of long grain and short grain. Didn't work out so hot. Did it, Dewey? For dinner, we're going to make pasta, but we're gonna use these two different kinds of pasta. This one is made out of green lentils and it also has kale, spinach, and broccoli in it. And then this one is just made out of red lentils. They have a ton of protein. Like, one serving of these pastas has 20 grams of protein.
So much protein.
That's a lot.
Lentils are good for protein.
For sure. And then, well, wait, do you have the pasta sauce in here?
Yeah. I think it's on the top shelf. In the main fridge.
And then this is the pasta sauce that we always use, which is just the fat-free marinara from Whole Foods. It's delicious.
You gotta look at the camera, not at me.
It is delicious. It's Derek's favorite. And that's pretty much all I have to say right now. So let's make some pasta.